Hey Kelsey, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this video short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful for you. So we'll go ahead and get started. The three things we'll be covering today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content, and I do have your Facebook page pulled up here. Now, Facebook is a very powerful tool, especially these days, but the first place people are typically going to go when they're looking for really anything is going to be Google. And when they get there and they get the search results for what they're looking for, they're going to want to be able to click on a website. So just for reference here, I did pull up one of the competitors' sites just so I can show you what I'm talking about as far as content goes. So content would be considered anything that you can see on this site. That does include the words, but also the pictures and what the pictures are saved as well. And Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a homepage. And within those 1,500 words, it gives you an opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be looking for when they're searching for your services. So I would suggest to get a website. Not only does it serve as a digital business card for you, but it is kind of the first step when you're trying to get ranked on Google. So next up is going to be citations, and I did a Google search here just for cleaning services in your area. And the first thing that you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that section. A citation is basically your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directories, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and really anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business details and services. So you all would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories, and you would want to grab those listings for yourself. But you also don't just want to stop there. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10, but then you want to double, triple, even quadruple the places where your business is listed. So if they have 10, you want to have 20, 30, 40, 50. That is going to help you completely dominate them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high on the maps here as well. So we'll move on to backlinks here, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website and is pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided to take a link from their site and send one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that number one, that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique and also powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And I did pull up a tool that I use here. I wasn't able to put your business in it since there's not an actual website for you at this time, but I did pull up one of the competitors here just so I can give you a visual representation of what we're talking about. So it's showing right now they have 75 referring domains, which is giving them 559 backlinks, getting them found for 278 keywords, and that's driving 328 people to their site per month. And let's see what kind of keywords they're using here. We're looking for buyer intent keywords. So anything that someone is going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service. We'll also pay attention to this section here. This number represents how many times this word or phrase is being searched for per month. So let's see. So house cleaning St. Louis, here's a great one. This is a good keyword because it lists the industry or the service, and then it also lists the location that this company is trying to rank for as well. Cleaning companies St. Louis. house cleaning services St. Louis. So you can kind of use a variation of the same word or phrase and it will count as a whole new keyword. Let's see what else they have. So it looks like they're going from service to services and then house cleaning and then just cleaning. So I won't bore you and have you go through all of these, but I hope this at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things that you would kind of want to work into that content if you all do decide to get a website. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And as I had mentioned earlier, you want to continually add on to that as well. That's the type of thing that's going to get you on that first page of Google, but it's also going to make it extremely difficult for your competition to even keep up with you at that point. So that's really all that I have for you today, Kelsey. I do hope that this video was helpful. And if you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do contact us. We would love to talk to you about that. Thanks again for your time and you have a great day.